Hey everyone, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're looking at a great pre-owned truck. This is a 2010 Chevy Avalanche LT. They are no longer making the Chevy Avalanche anymore, but it is still sought after to this day because of its style, power, and reliability. You can see the Avalanche has the unique back end that sets it apart from our current Silverado model. There are a few options inside that are worth noting, such as the Bose speakers and the black leather interior with power sliding seats, and has just a little over 92,000 miles, as you can see on the dash. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any others, please let us know. Today, this Avalanche can be yours for under $17,000. If you have any questions, get in touch with our sales department at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. And you can check us out online at applechevy.com. Thank you so much.